Hey cookies, let me show you around the text editor feature, which is available in 3 spots. You can see it in tasks, in your plan notes, and also in client notes. Let's first take a look at your tasks. So if I head over to the task library, I'm going to pull up a particular task here. And you can see that I have pre-made instructions here that shows off a lot of the features that you'll have available to you. So for example, left or right, you can change the size of your text. You can bold text, italicize text, underline. You can change the color of your text. You can change the background color of your text. You can change the alignment. So here's left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justified alignment. You can create numbered list, bulleted list, and you can change the indentation. So this would make a piece of text, move more left. This would move the text more right. So just to kind of give you an example here, if I put my cursor here, I can move this right or back to the left. And then this here changes which side of the screen you are writing from. So let me go here. So if I type hello here versus if I change it, you see the arrow changes the other way. Now I'm writing from the right-hand side of the screen. So that's what that button does. Get rid of that. And then now you can also type in, or not type in, but you can share links with clients that will open, in their browser. So for example, let me pull this hyperlink. And then if I highlight the word I want to embed the link in, click the link option, paste, and then hit save. And now this is a clickable link. So you'll be able to make this very easy to read for your clients and much easier to navigate. And when you're done, just hit complete. Now let's take a look at the client notes section. So if I go check on Elmo here and then go to details and notes, you will see that same exact text editor right here. So you can better organize any, post-session notes that you have or observations you may have about your clients. Just keep in mind that client notes are for your eyes only. So clients will never see this, but this is a great way to just better organize your thoughts around a particular client as needed. And then the last spot you will see this in is actually inside the plan builder. So if I go into this plan here, I stole an article from John, which is what you're seeing here, but that same exact text editor shows up for your plan notes. And so again, this is, the kind of a header. So this is a normal text, bold. And, you can go in and emphasize, pieces of text that you want to draw your client's attention to, that sort of stuff. So just kind of keep in mind that if you view this as a client, it does get long. So they will get this bar here. Let me make this bigger. There we go. A little easier to read. So you may have to tell them to scroll to look out for that. And the same thing would be true for task notes. So be aware of how long your text is because it is going to impact, what it looks like on their end. When you add a lot of text, it also will show up on your printout and how many pages that will take up. So just be conscientious of how much text you are sharing. And then that's also why that hyperlink option is available. So if there is something that's much longer that you want to share, creating a PDF that is, shareable via a link might be a better option versus creating a really long plan note or a very long, task where you're sharing information. So just something to kind of keep in mind. That's your text editor. Have fun editing.